everybody. I'm Anthony from DESelect, and welcome to a brand new series for data tutorials in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This series will be geared around segmenting, hence the name, Segmenting 101. However, mind you that if you're looking for a series that shows you step-by-step how to actually do this in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, this is not the right series. In fact, in this series, we'll take a step back and explain some concepts just conceptually first. And I find that really helps to understand what's going on below the hood. So hopefully you get away with some interesting insights from this course and then better understand what's actually going on, whether it's in Marketing Cloud or a data management platform such as DESelect. So in this series, we'll cover a few key concepts, such as what is a data extension? And then what is segmenting anyway at its most basic? Next, we'll cover deduplication, something you might often hear about. And then what does it mean to join data extensions? And we'll see this is a really powerful thing you can do, especially in Marketing Cloud. Next, why would you deduplicate after joining? And finally, a little note on what is personalization and what is the link between segmentation and personalization. So welcome, this was an overview, and I'll see you in the next one.